मस्ती में सब झूमे झमेले हटे। अंडरआर्म कर्म क्रिकेट पर
Ball is bowled. Nice hit by Aniket, but only a single.
क्या बात है। ओ 2 sixes back to back. One over, 15 runs, no wickets. Aniket bhai, 2 great shots. You can show your bat to the audience. Next bowler coming in, GD bhai. एक सेकंड, अकरम बोल रहा है उसका गला खराब है। एक सेकंड बोलो उसने। Oh my God. 22 catches win matches. क्या हुआ? 23 runs in 1.5 overs. Two overs, 24. दो ओवर 24 रन, शैम्पी गोना बॉल। पच्चीस रन। Out. Oh, it's a no ball. Aniket playing with fire. And that's the first wicket. अकरम के हाथ में बॉल आए तो हम बोले लाइन पे ही रहो, भागो मत। Pile, I die. Aniket remains on 24. 34 for 1 in 2.4 overs. It'll be one more ball added. Yeah, 34 for 2 in 2.5. No ball. Three overs, 35. Great match. Guys, there's a little restriction on time. I know it's unfair for me also to say jaldi karo. But let's give our best. "36 for 2. One ball done. Great ball. भाई भाई को बॉलिंग कर रहे हैं. अर्पित भाई यहाँ पे आए खड़े हुए हैं. GD bhai again. The ungli coming in the way. But वो that's a prime finger also ना. ऐसा नहीं है कि यहाँ भी है बीच वाला यार. The umpire is asking for some water, please. Any medical help needed over there? Let's get GD out. यार कोई फील्डिंग कर लो जाके. हाँ जाओ 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 ना. जाओ तो फील्डिंग कर लो उसके लिए. जाओ फील्डिंग कर लो उसके लिए.
फोन दे दो.
आवाज आ रही है. अब्बा डब्बा चब्बा. बड़े टाइम के बाद ये शब्द सुने, अब्बा डब्बा चब्बा. एंड विकेट आ चुका है. यहाँ पे सुपरस्टार्स वार्म अप कर रहे हैं. प्लीज ध्यान से अपने बैट घुमाइएगा. गलती से बैट गलत घूम गया. चार ओवर में 38 रन. 38 इज 38 या 38 रन. गुड ओवर. शैम्पी भाई ने गुड ओवर बोला. तालियां मार रहे हैं. माही भाई ने भी तालियां मारना शुरू कर दिया है. एंड नाउ वी गॉट अकरम. अकरम कमिंग टू बोल his magical spell. 38 in 4 overs. एक रन आ चुका है पहली बॉल पे. 39 is the score. Forty. Akram, please take care. We can't afford another injury in your team. Good ball. Can we have the second mic, please? अगर if Warriors lose ना, if Warriors lose, super over होगा ना तीनों का. नहीं नहीं, थैंक यू नहीं नहीं, भाई भाभी भी हैं उनके साथ ही खाऊंगा. नहीं नहीं आपका सेक्शन. मुझे भी नहीं पता वो. कुणाल भाई should know more. उन्होंने मैसेज डाला था. सुनो ना, मैं तो कहता हूँ पुकाई आप इधर उधर देखना चाहते हो. कुणाल भाई मैं तो कहता हूँ तीन टीम से पुकाई करा देना, जो ऑड आउट हुआ वो रॉक पेपर सीजर. भाग जा स्टंप उठाना पड़ेगा उनको. ओ बाप रे. कहाँ लगा? जीडी को लगा ना. 43 for 3, 4.5 overs. What a brilliant catch. Akram doing Akram things. Crucial match. 43 for 4, 5 overs. 1 over left. Mahi Bhai coming on. "43. Last over coming up. What a pyara shot, pyara shot. Puppy, we call it puppy shot. Second puppy. 55. 5.2 overs. छप्पन. अब तक 56 हो चुके हैं. अब तक 56 ही रहा है. Oh, that was a close one. 57. Last ball coming up. "59 is the final score. 60 runs is what Warriors need to chase to fix their spot with the great Royals in the eliminator. We would really like to thank our sponsors, Prince Developers, Memom Realtors, FCOM, Brandex Digital, and Infinity Constructions. Without you, this tournament wouldn't have been possible.
Guys, we'd like to thank our cash sponsors, Mr. Manuel D'Souza, Mr. Mohammad Mehdi, Amit Jain, यार काम तो करना पड़ेगा, and Devanshi Mishra. Guys, please visit all the stalls, the food court. We have a lot of options for residents. Some great desserts, pani puri, Rameshwar Cafe, fantastic food from Rambhai Caterers. Some I can see some popsicles, a lot of shopping options, some free salon options, some vouchers. Take advantage.
Second inning coming up very soon. This is going to be a very exciting match. The question is if a lot depends upon this match result. If Warrior loses, then Warrior, Challengers and Giants will be on same 8 points. Okay, for the fourth spot for the qualifier round. First ball, Gaurav pushes it to onside for a single. That brings Rahil on a strike, a left-hander. Pushed on leg for a single. So 2 ball, 2 runs. And that was a good shot going to the boundary, but the pillar stopped that for a single. That was a good shot, but just before the boundary touched the ceiling, it is out. First wicket falls for Warriors. Score is 3 runs, 1 wicket, 4 balls. Meanwhile, the fifth ball, good catch on the boundary, but it was a no ball. It was a no ball, 1 run taken, so 5 runs. Good comeback by Raj. There was a chance of overthrow there, but batsman decided against it. No damage done. Akash, udhar shift ho please. Krishiv, shift ho. A no ball call and batsman hit it for a single. So 2 more runs added to the score. Last ball, it was a free hit, so he cannot be out. 1 run. That brings first over to the end. 9 runs at the loss of 1 wicket. We are in the 19th minute of the match. Guys, let's get on with it. Anand Bhai is our next bowler. Bowling to Shahbaz. Kings need to hurry it up, please. Jaldi, jaldi. A good shot. Heave a full toss. Hit it for a 6. Shahbaz. Score is to 15. One more good shot on the offside, only for a single. Score reaches to 16. Let's see. That was a short ball. Gaurav tried to hit it for a 6. Took the outside edge, went to the ceiling and is out. That brings Akram to the crease at the score of 16. They still need 44 runs in 27 balls. He comes forward, drives it to the offside. Single. Scores 17. That was a over pitch ball. Shahbaz takes full advantage of it, hits it for a 6. Super shot. Score is 23 at the loss of 2 wickets. Can Anand Bhai pull one back? full ball, hit it for a single. Score is 24 in 2 overs. 36 required in 4 overs. It will be easy job for Warriors if Akram stays through the 4 overs. And Shampi yet to come. Next bowler is Anuj. First ball driven on the onside for a single. Score is 25. That's a very good ball. Akram has to defend it for a single. Score 26. Stayed in the hands of Sudeep. Score is 26 for 3 in 2.4 overs. This is proving to be a good over for Kings. That brings Shampi to the crease. He's known for hard hitting. Let's see if he carries the bat through. Dimpy, come here. Dimpy. There's a misfield. Gives Warriors a single run. That was a very good shot from Akram. Straight down the ground. Powerful shot. Sudeep can't stop it for a boundary. Score is 31 for 3. In 3 overs. Required is 29 in 3 overs. Halfway through this inning, Warriors are ahead of the required run rate. Can Pareen pick a wicket or two? It's a lovely bowling, cramping Shampi on the leg for a dot. That was a delivery pushed on the onside for a single. Now Pareen to Akram. A powerful shot, but it will hit the sidelines for a single. Score is 33 for 3 in 3.3 overs. Only 3s on the scoreboard. That was a tricky thing to stop, but Anuj did well there. A single run. Score moves to 34. A good ball. Again cramping Akram for a single. Score is 35. That's a very good ball. Shampi had to make room in the left side for a single. 36 score in 4 overs. 24 required in 2 overs. 12 strike rate required. But Shampi and Akram both are on the crease. They are the best combination that Warrior can have in this kind of situation. Can they deliver their magic, or will pull something back for Kings? Exciting 2 overs coming up, guys. Very powerful shot. Anand by displaying his football skills there. Stops it only for a single. 23 in 11s required. Kentu Akram. He comes forward, makes it a full toss, but only for a single. 22 in 10. Kentu Shampi. It was a no ball call. Oh my goodness. Because the fielder is standing behind the middle line. And that kind of no ball is a crime here. How much? 20 of 10 required. This is a gift. A wide ball by a huge margin. 19 of 10 required. Kentu Akram. That's a good comeback by Ken. Cramping Akram on the offside. 18 of 9 required. Champion on a strike. That's a good ball. Almost made into a. Oh, they're attempting a double run and they easily make it. It's a very good running by both Champi and Akram. 2 runs taken. 16 required in 8. With both Champi and Akram on the crease. Yeah. The quality of umpiring has been really good in this tournament. I think we should give a round of applause to all our umpires. Guys, we need to move. We need to move. Running late. Come on. Okay, Ken to Champi. नहीं रे छोड़ wide ball थी पागल. That was a wide ball, but Champi has shifted towards his leg side, cramping himself only for a single. 15 required in 7. A lot depends upon the outcome of this match. A lot of people are praying for Kings to win this match. Will Champi and Akram allow them that happiness? Ken to Akram. There's a white ball, well left by Akram. 14 in 7. That was a leg glance for a single. Akram was slow off the block. That could have been a run-out chance, but the throw was at the other end. 13 required in 6 balls. Anvit is the bowler. He is going to bowl in a very, very tight situation, cooker pressure situation. Can he handle the pressure? Kitna required? 13 required in the last over. Guys, come on. That was a dead ball. Batsman was not ready. Anvit to Akram. There's a powerful shot right at the corner of the off boundary. Sudeep couldn't stop it for 4 runs. 9 runs required in 5 balls. That is the equation right now, guys. Anvit to Akram. That was a no ball and Akram hits it for Warriors, sails through, wins the match, gets into the qualifier and also eliminates challengers and Titan. Last women match coming up. What a win, what a win, what a player, what a match. Akram take a ball.